In today's video, I will walk you through how to find new coins before listing on Coinmarketcap. To find new coins before they are listed on Coinmarketcap, start by using the Coinmarketcap platform. Hover over the cryptocurrencies section and select Recently Added. The Recently Added section displays newly added cryptocurrencies on Coinmarketcap. Here, you can view different projects along with their available information. For each coin, you can check the coin name, listing time, blockchain, trading volume, market cap, and the 24-hour price change. Review the time added section to see when the coin was added. You can find projects added a few hours ago, 1 day ago, several days ago, or longer. After checking the recently added coins, use the Coinmarketcap ICO Calendar to find projects before they are listed. Open the ICO Calendar section to view different project events. You can check ongoing, upcoming, and ended projects. In the ICO Calendar, review projects that are scheduled to launch. Check the project details, launch dates, and available information. Select the upcoming section to view projects that have not launched yet. Review the projects that are scheduled to start in the future. You can also check the number of upcoming ICO projects available by selecting the related section. To view more details about a project, click on the project name. This will open the project page where you can find additional information. On the project page, review the available details, including the project description, website, explorer, community links, contract address, and other listed information. You can also check information about the ICO, including the ICO price, estimated details, and additional project data. Review the project information before continuing with any action. The ICO calendar also shows ongoing projects. Select the Ongoing section to view projects that are currently active and check their remaining time and available details. You can also view ended projects by selecting the Ended section. Continue exploring different upcoming and ongoing projects through the ICO calendar and review their details directly on Coinmarketcap. This process allows you to find new cryptocurrency projects before they are listed on Coinmarketcap. And view the available information for each project. Thank you for watching.